Go! Because when I open that door, you're gonna go. I don't want you to do that. I'll just open it from if you don't get up. Stand. Do something. You're not gonna move. Go! I gotta do something really important. There we go. Okay, so I'll grab me some potions. Oh. Okay, back. And I will become not some young old little lady with children. I am not 15 with no children. That's still too young. I want to be... You know, let me just throw all of it on me. Let me just throw it all up on me. 21, 23, went to 22. Pretty good, actually. Ellipse for everyone. Ooh. I'm 25 years old with 2 children. The end. Okay, back. I will take out 3 of these. She was staring at me while I was asleep. That's freaking creepy. I'm gonna name you Little Jimmy moved out of the household. That's the story now. And Jordan is still here. And yeah, that's what happened. He moved out of the household, and I have another daughter. No. Husbands, no, he's not. And this is Bella. Belair. No, just Bella. Those are some cute names, actually. Bella, Jordan, husband. That's very good, actually. Oh, I can't get in. Y'all thought y'all could get out. Jordan. And little Bella. Nope, couldn't get out. Oops. Bella is a teenager now, if you did not. If you did not know. If you did not know. Yeah. There. That triggered me a lot. I'll crack that open for you later. Ooh. Get it. Ooh. Hit it with that boom. Dynamite. Hey. Wedgie in my booty. Feeling tight. But yeah. Ooh, crap. Okay, let me replant these before the nasty things come up. Nasty things come up. Wedgie in my booty, feeling tight. Hood, yeah. Okay. I was just waiting for that to happen. Here we go. I'll break that open. No, bad idea. Pickaxe. Yep, here we go. I'll get some water up in that grill. Here we go. See, playing slow. Let me see if I can get. I can't even get stuck in there. You little wussy. What's this? Guys, look what I have found. Wait a minute. Let me try to test it. Ah! That's hurting. It's hurting. It's hurting. Ooh. 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 Eat these golden apples. Eat these golden apples. I'm a witch. Poison! Ah, that hurts. Eat this up. Eat this up. Eat it up. I need more. Much better. For a second, I thought I was about to die. Whew. But I'm okay. No, I will never, ever, ever touch that potion ever again. Get it? It's a joke. I said ever way too much. Don't be one of the kids trying to get out in this cave. Oh, wait. I forgot to tell you. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. How to lead your man out the house. Dude. Hey, babe. Look what I got. Hey, babe. Babe. Honey. You see? You smell something? You smell something? You smell something? It's all this stuff. Oh, come on. Look what's at the door. At the door. You know you want to flick those doors. Okay. Get away from that. Look out the door. No, you don't want to talk to me. I just want to get you out the house real quick. Alright, why do I want to get him out the house? Oh, because I'm trying to get out this door. Huh. That was easy. Just wasted my bones. My whole world is keeping my cool, even when I'm broken heart. Ooh, yeah. Water. Yum. Babe, I want to drink this from this bottle. Sorry, babe. I drank the water. It's okay. What the heck? I forgot they teleport. Oh, you took care of it? Nope. He just came out here for nothing. I don't think I got a gardener boyfriend. Last time I saw him, he was... I don't think he's a gardener. I think he's a blacksmith. Yeah, I'm sure he's a blacksmith. Oops. Oh, okay. What other seeds can I use? Guess I'll just use these seeds. Okay. Keep going, I'm not slow. Ooh, I find resistance. Ooh. Got resistance for days, honey. Put it in this watermelon. Watermelon, but not the days. this. I'm gonna make some potions. As always, what I do. I should fill this up. Ooh. Oh, I'm pouring it out in there. I'm sorry. Oh, now I get this thing. I get it now. Okay, I get it. I really get it. I thought you could like make potions in it. Nope. I feel kind of stupid because I think that's wrong. But I'm gonna make an awkward potion. Jiggle, jiggle, pop. Now my hands swinging left and right. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this episode here. If you liked it, make sure you leave a like. And if you want to see more, make sure you... Yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.